Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will tell you about how you can fix the camera app in your device Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite and CE2 Lite 5G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to camera, like your camera app is not working, or you can say your camera is not working, you can fix it by the way as I will show you in this video tutorial. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the camera app in your device. Let's watch it.